Hey guys, it's Kristen or Beatrice. Today I've got a great hack for Cricut users to clean your Cricut mats. Mine were a mess and they weren't holding vinyl. It was peeling up in the side corners, so they definitely needed to be cleaned. I went to the Dollar Tree and got LA's totally awesome cleaner. I'm also going to be using my scraper and some paper towels. So make sure you remove the plastic sleeve off of the top of the Cricut mat. Then you'll want to put a paper towel so that any product that you're scraping doesn't end up on your countertop. I sprayed about 10 sprays and then you'll let it sit for 15 to 30 seconds. You don't want it to sit any longer than that. And when you're doing the scraping, you don't want to push so hard that you're removing the stick from the mat itself. So just enough pressure to get all of those extra little bits that are on there off and move the product. Once you've got it scraped, the mat is still going to be a little wet. So what I like to do is take a paper towel and spritz a little bit of the cleaner on top and then wipe all across the surface just to make sure that any little bits that are stuck on there come back off. You guys know that Cricut mats are kind of expensive, and I have had these mats for a little over a year, so I've actually done this 3 times to these mats, and I've found that the best way to get all of that stick back is after you've put the product on and then scraped it and wiped it clean, is to just let it sit and dry on the countertop. Don't put the plastic sleeve on right away. I also wanted to show you guys how I do my light grip mat because I don't use my scraper. I just spray the product on, let it sit for 15 to 30 seconds, and while it's sitting, I usually clean off all of my plastic sleeves. For some reason, those get really messy too, so it's just good when you're cleaning your mats to get all of the pieces cleaned up. I use a dry paper towel and lightly dust it across the surface of the mat. The stickiness of the light grip mat is a little bit more sensitive to the cleaning products, so you want to make sure that you don't strip the stickiness off of it. So I am a lot lighter on my light grip mat. It also, in general, because I don't use it as much, doesn't really get as dirty. I wanted to give you guys a little demo. You can see when I go to pull the plastic sheet off, this is one that I recently cleaned, just how nice and sticky it is. I also just used a sheet of paper. My top left corner of my Cricut mats, I'm sure you feel the same, always loses its stick the fastest. So after cleaning, you can see that it stays and you won't have any vinyl or cardstock or anything pulling up. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Let me know in the comments if you've used this cleaner or if you have a suggestion for a better budget DIY cleaner that I could use next time. Thanks for watching. Love you guys.